Hello YouTube, JustX back with another great video, and today's video is about how to increase FPS or how to optimize Windows PC for gaming. Your PC may be slowing because of different reasons or not giving you the best performance while you are playing games or doing other activities. These solutions also work for other different activities. So this solution will work for Windows 10, Windows 11, and other Windows products, and also for high-end or low-end or medium-end computers. You can use these solutions to solve your problems related with slowing or low FPS problems. So let's see how can we increase the speed or how can we optimize the Windows for gaming. So solution number one will be, we are going to start from the basics. So make sure your game mode is enabled. So in order to check that, click on the search icon and type game mode. So after you type game mode here, you will find game mode setting. So this will appear for every Windows operating system, and check whether the game mode is turned on. So as you can see here, it's turned on, so it will add extra features or it will make ready your computer for gaming. So make sure you turn on the game mode on your computer before you start gaming. So after you check that, then the second solution will be make sure your Windows is up to date. So in order to check that, click on the search icon here, type update. So after you type update, you will find you'll find here Windows update setting, then select Windows update setting. So it will directly leads you to Windows update. So check for updates. So if there will be any updates. So as you can see here, I have some file I should have to update. So check for updates. So it will start updating if there will be updates, because updates even can cause your computer to make slow because some necessary files are missing to make your computer faster. So check for updates, and if there is an update, then select download and install that specific application and that specific file and install on your computer. Then proceed to the third solution. So the third solution will be updating the display adapters. So in order to update the display adapters, then go to here on the search icon and type here device manager. So here the device manager will open as we typed. So on the device manager, you will find different display adapters. As you can see here, select the drop down arrow. Here I have only one driver, which is Intel. You may have NVIDIA or other drivers for your computer, so or GeForce or other drivers. So update each of the drivers under the display adapter. So let us check for the first one, which is the only one that I have in my computer. So right click on it, then select update driver, then search automatically for driver if there will be any update for this driver. So the base driver for your device are already installed. So in my case, so I'm going to close it. So or else you can make a manual update through typing this, which is Intel, under your browser. And for example, if I type Intel graphics, here I found Intel graphics driver. So here you found download Intel drivers and software. So you can open the site and download for your display adapter. Or else if you have or NVIDIA, you can type NVIDIA here, and as you can see here, NVIDIA graphics driver, you can download, can open official driver of NVIDIA or GeForce drivers, then you can download it and install on your computer. So the third solution will be updating your display driver or adapters can boost or increase your FPS and optimize Windows computers. So the fourth solution for this video will be closing unwanted or unnecessary programs. So in order to close those programs, here click under the search icon and type here task manager. So after you type task manager, here you find the task manager, then open the task manager. So when you open the task manager, if it is showing you like this, just select here more detail. So it will show you the expanded one, and here it's showing us the processes that our computer is performing right now. So if you don't want any of these activities on your computer, especially under the app section, just select, right click on it and end the task that you don't want right now. So as you can see here, Google Chrome is opened, also setting and some other softwares are open, even the task manager. So if you don't want them, just close them and it will make your gaming experience smoother. So for example, let's select this Google Chrome, right click on it, then select in the tasks. So it turned it off from the taskbar section. And after you do this, then open here the startup. And under the startup here, you will find different applications. So startups are when your computer will start up after you close it, and the next time when you start your computer or open your computer, these are the applications that will start automatically when you open your computer. So if you don't want some of the applications here, then disable them. So if you are watching here, for example, Cortana, in my case, it's disabled. You can right click and disable it, so or enable it back when you want. This HD audio background, it's necessary, so I'm not going to disable it. For example, Microsoft Edge, I can disable it. This one, disable. So you are disabling it from starting when you open the computer, but after you open the computer, and if you need it, you can type on the search box and you can open the file. It just close it when you start your computer, and it will make it more smoother. So select any applications that you don't want to start while you are doing some activities. So you can disable them by right clicking on them and select disable, so you can disable the application. So close the task manager after you finished disabling some of the application. And also here on the taskbar, click on the arrow here, show hidden icons, and close the application, because all these apps may take some space from your CPU or processor. So if you are not currently using them, just turn them off. So I'm going to right click on it and select here exit, so it will be removed or it will be closed. So remove all these unnecessary files on your computer, which is for that specific moment only. And the other one is turning off unnecessary notifications from your computer. So to turn off those unnecessary notifications, again click on the search icon here and type here notification. So after you type notification, here you find notification and action settings. Maybe on Windows 10 you may find only notification. On Windows 11 you will find it like this. But just open this notification option, and here under the notification we find the option of notification. So you can turn off the notification totally, or else you can select you can turn off one by one. For example, show notification on the lock screen. So just uncheck all these ones. Allow notification to play sound. It's not necessary, because it may take some space or CPU processing speed while your notification is turned on, and it will disturb your gaming experience and offer suggestion on how can I set up my device. It's not necessary. And also get tips and suggestion when I use Windows. You are already using Windows, you don't need tips. Again, uncheck this one and select some of the applications that you don't want to get a notification from the list of applications by turning off each of them that you don't want. In my case, I want a notification from these applications, but in your case you may have different applications, so turn off those notification for better gaming experience. Then after you check all those activities, again close background browser activities. In my case here I have only a Google Chrome. If you have different browser, then open the browser and here click on the three dots over the top. If you have Google Chrome, then click on here settings, and under settings open here advanced, which is click here the drop down arrow. Then you will find here system, then select system, and here it says continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Even if you close Google Chrome, it will run some applications inside the Google Chrome. So turn this off in order to get a much better space in doing different activities. So it will help you to boost the speed of your computer. So make sure you turn it off, your continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So make sure it turn it off and close your browser, and do the same for other browsers on your computer. So after you close all those things, then clear temporary files from your computer. To remove those temporary files, click on here the search icon and type here run, and here the run command came. Then open the run and type here under the run percent temp, again percent. So here we type the temp, which is it designed for temporary file location. Then select here OK, and you will it will open different temporary files that your computer used while performing different kinds of activities on your computer. So it will take some time in searching while you are playing games. If your computer needs some files, it will search from these temporary files in other locations. So in order to remove those unnecessary files, then select here Control A and select Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. So Shift plus Delete, and it will permanently delete this 336 items. Then select Yes, and it will permanently delete all those files. You will need to provide administrator privilege. Then select. So do this for all current items. Then select here Continue, which is asking me an administrator privilege. Then select Continue. So it will start deleting, and this action can't become because it's open in macro. So some applications are still open and using these temporary files. Then select this one and skip, and it will skip these files because they are unused by the computer. So you removed your temporary files, then close this one, and again in order to remove unnecessary files, click here the search icon and type here disk clean up. So again type disk cleanup and select here the disk cleanup. So it will open here the disk cleanup option, and it will show you some temporary internet files and Windows errors. Then select the check boxes. Again scroll down to the bottom and select them, and then after that, as you can see here, 5 GB of space is occupied by these unnecessary files. Then select here OK, and then select here delete files, and it will process in order to clean your disk space. So do these things in a weekly basis in order to get a much better hard drive and as well as speed on your computer. So then the next option will be opening your power option. So it will help you to get again a smooth computer or high performance computer. So select here, type power plan. So after you type power plan, here you will find choose a power plan option. Then select the choose a power plan, and it will give you different options. Here we find different options, for example balanced, high performance, and power saver. So make sure you selected a high performance option, which help you to get a better gaming experience. So select a high performance option. So if you do not find here high performance option, make sure you select this drop down arrow and you will get high performance option. Sometimes it will be hide on additional plans, and if you do not even get it, you can go here and select create power plan, and you will get here the high performance option. You can select and click next and you can save it. But in my case, my computer is under the high performance mode, so I'm going to leave it as it is and close the power options page. And the final solution for getting a better computer or a better FPS for your computer is type here under the search icon view advanced system setting. Here it already opened, so select here view advanced system setting, and it will give you under the advanced, it will give you settings. Open the settings and you will get here 4 different options. The first one, let's window decide or choose what best for my computer. The second one, adjust for best performance. The third one, adjust for best performance. And custom, the final one. So select adjust for best performance, not appearance, it's performance. So it will make close some animations on your computer. For example, under the control and element inside Windows, show thumbnails will be removed, save taskbar template previews, they will be removed. So some animations will be closed, and it will help you to get a better speed or a better gaming experience for your computer. So then finally select here apply and select here OK, and again here close the setting option and start playing your gaming, and you will get a better or increased FPS, and your Windows will be optimized for gaming. So these are the tips for having a better gaming experience or doing other activities in order to get a good computer which does not slow while doing different activities. So if this video is helpful, please give me thumb up, subscribe my channel, give me comments on the comment section. Thank you for watching for today. Chashtink out.